Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert nature and outdoor icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open any kinds of file which I have already done. Then I will do the insert option. In insert option we will go the icon. So here the icon I will press, then we will go to in below section. So here the nature and outdoor icons, we will click here. See, lots of nature and outdoors option has been revealed in this systems which have been by default. So click multiple, or if you want to one, so now you will click multiple. See, then we have to press the insert button, then we will get it. So press the enter and we will find. Then we will do lots of things. Then moving, see, we can move easily, but here some problems. The problem has been revealed. We have to set before layout option. So how? So with text wrap, if we press this, see, we can move from here anywhere, or we can write something. And with writing things, see, in this, that means the front sections has been revealed in the icons, and the written part has been revealed from the background system. So now we can do the different things. So what if we remove this? We can also remove this. We will work from the one file. So how? Now we will do the graphics thing. So how it will work? So here the graphics format. So format, click, and the graphic field if you want to change inside the icon. So see, multiple color has been revealed. See, and we also more fill color according to our the customization and the standard option. So see, we can move easily. See, so green, dark green, new thing, and the current thing. If we press the OK, see, the current color has been revealed in this way. Now we will do the graphics outline. So how? So we have to press the graphics outline. So click this here, and the thin color, lots of color, and this options has been revealed. The border sections will be marked with the help of this color. So if it is red color, yellow color, green color, no, this is the black color has been revealed in the correctly, or has been revealed this. And here also the has been increased, the border outline has been increased. So how? This is the way we can increase the border. Also we can do another things. If you wanna give the dasher sign, see, the dasher sign also has been given in this way. So now we will do the last option, the graphics effect. So how? So we have to first mark or press or these things, and see the shadow or the 3D icons, or this in this way we can do this, the shadow here. See the shadow things. Also we can do the 3D. See the 3D perspective, oblique, the 3D, this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.